Yo, what is going on YouTube? This is Josh. We're here at American AF Dumpsters in Ponder, Texas. We are at the Dumpster Expo. We've got a guy on stage right now talking about DOT stuff. Let me tell you, there's so many misconceptions with DOT. He's kind of going over all the real stuff. Quit listening to just everybody online. Listen to the true experts in the industry. So, talking about what I'm showing here, we've got several trailers, and I really want to talk in this video about the different types of trailers that are out here right now and being offered. So, Keystone brought out this swap loader trailer, and we're going to give you a quick roundabout while I talk about it. First and foremost, this is, I'm going to check real quick, I believe this is 16K GVWR. Let me look for the sticker right here. So this is a, you can zoom in right here. This is a 16K GVWR trailer, Hooklift trailer. This is all electric. I love the flat black. Again, swap loader, well-named brand, well-known brand in the industry. And they just started this year. They released this trailer that's all electric, Hooklift.
CDL has a different definition.
Right now, looks like it's priced at $44,000. And a package deal looks like with some combo cans, looking at $55,950. With 3 roll-off dumpsters, 3 20-yard dumpsters. Again, all electric system. And so let's look at inside real quick. So this is how they, this is basically the brains of the operation. You've got your hydraulic tank, your pump, and then you've got your batteries and some inverters up there. Wireless remote control, tarp system, spare tire, hydraulic jacks. I mean, if you're looking for an electric Hooklift or any kind of Hooklift trailer for the most part, you might want to check them out. They are one of 2 options. So yeah, awesome trailer. Right here, you've got a Keystone. This is a Keystone reeving system, cable pool, 16K trailer, 16-foot with a onboard engine. We're going to show you this real quick. So the onboard engine is basically, obviously it's not electric, right? So you got an onboard engine. You just got to make sure that you have gas when you run out, obviously. But hydraulic jack, onboard engine gives you more power. You've got right here, if you zoom in right here, you've got 4 different cylinders. This is a reeving system, meaning you got even more pickup power. You don't have to get those snatch blocks and use that. This is a built-in reeving system where the cable reeves through and out the cylinders or through and out the pulleys to give you that much more pulling power. Electric tarp. This one right here looks like no price right now, but I'm guessing this one's going to be probably around 35, 36. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, one of the best reeving system, standard rail trailers in the industry. And if we turn around right behind us, this is a trailer that I actually sold. You might have seen this on the channel when I unloaded it from the truck. But we had this, I sold this. We had this built from Camp Concepts out of Canada. Again, onboard engine. They enclose their engines right here. So it's basically an onboard engine, no battery. Well, you got a battery for a remote start. But other than that, this is not a battery system. This is not cable, obviously. This is an actual Hooklift system. Toolboxes. It's got the hydraulic jacks, spare tires, perfect spot for a spare tire. 2 toolboxes, electric tarp, 16K GVWR. It hauls 15s, 20s, basically 14 to 16 foot dumpsters. It's one beast of a trailer. So basically you've got the 2 different options when you're talking about electric versus gas. You can see the comparisons right here. We got Clayton rolling up over here. Come on over here, Clayton. Come on, say what's up on the channel. What are you doing?
Where you look at this one.
Didn't even know. I just pulled Clayton in here. I don't know. I feel like a salesperson. Just pulled Clayton in here, eating breakfast. What kind of breakfast is that, homie? I haven't eaten. I love it. What's up, man?
Good, dude.
How'd you do? Where did you? We gotta talk later.
I'm not regulated.
So showing off the trailers here. Clayton posted a very funny post this morning, and I don't know if it's. I could put it on YouTube. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it on.
I don't know if you can.
But he was talking about the guys who, from what I showed you right now, you've got 1, 2, 3 trailers that are standard rail. Clayton runs his entire operation on non-standard rail, and it's honestly kind of like not the norm in the industry.
No, it's a challenge now.
But you run a hell of an operation.
You do all right.
So can it be done?
Oh, absolutely.
1,000%.
Absolutely.
There's no reason why when people say you. First of all, I can't stand when people always want to judge and say, "Oh, it should only be standard rail." No, it can absolutely be done. It just really depends on
the truck.
is it good enough for your business in your area? Does it work for you? Great. And if it does, do it. If it doesn't, do something different.
Yeah, I mean, there's just options now. I mean, this was unheard of a couple years ago. A Hooklift. I mean, this. Now you got Hooklift options. You've got non-standard rail or proprietary rail, 60-inch. You've got, you know, Cougar Manufacturing making one, Evolution making one. I mean, there's all kinds of them over here. And honestly,
so yeah, you could be the class A.
Really comes down to preference.
Yep, 100%.
And then your work ethic
and price.
Yeah, and price.
Right?
Yeah.
Because I started with a non-standard rail. Yep. I should have started with a Max D. I started with a worse brand, like a terrible brand. I didn't like my brand.
Oh, I remember that.
I hated my brand. I won't even drop the name anymore because they might sue me. But it's just I didn't like it. It was bad. But guess what it did though?
Got you started.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
It made me money.
Yeah, made you money and got you to where you needed to be now.
It still made me money. Yeah. So does it work? Yeah. That one gave me headaches because it was breaking all the time. I mean, it had paper thin sheet metal.
Yeah. I remember you talking about it. That was rough.
But you know, whatever.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day,
it also depends on what you're working on, right?
Yeah.
You can't get in that. You can't go buy any of these trailers and then get mad when, oh man, it didn't pick up the 20,000 pounds of concrete I was doing. It broke in half. It's like, well, whose fault is that? Is that the manufacturer's fault, or are you working above your means?
Right. It's like buying a toaster and wanting to bake a cake.
Yeah, 100%.
That was a good comparison. I like that shit. All right, I'm gonna go show them the Evolution. You want to come with me? Hang with me, or you got something?
Let's go.
Let's go check out the Evolution trailer. All right, check this thing out. This is the Evolution trailer, coming straight up from Miami. I have not. This is the first time I've seen an Evolution trailer in person.
This is the second time I've seen one, and every time I'm blown away by them.
Well, yesterday was the first time, technically. This is my second time. But you saw another one before today?
Yeah.
Before the show? Okay. All right, check this thing out. I mean, it's a beast. And what I really like is they have all kinds of options. So let's check this thing out.
These have got to be one of the most heavy-duty built trailers on the market.
So this has got 16,000 pound GVWR, hydraulic jacks, controls out here, onboard engine, tank, spare tire up top. It's got a solar panel right here that keeps your battery, which is just mainly for your jump start, right? Your keyed start. It's mainly for your keyed start. Electric tarp. They use a toolbox for, I don't even know what the hoses are for.
You got the batteries and, well, it's a reeving system.
I want to show you your trailer. I saw that we got hydraulic jacks. We've got 16K GVWR, solar panel for the little battery, right? But you got a big old battery here. So we'll talk about that in a second. You've got obviously electric tarp. You've got some spots for brooms and equipment handles, right? Walk me through this.
So this is all where the electric components are for the whole trailer. This is where the electrical components for the battery. You got your battery charger, you got your marine grade battery, you got your tough wireless remote receiver over there. So this is what's gonna turn all the electrical components on the trailer. Has the lights, you got your LED lights. Switch this on always.
Woo! LED light. So he's got an LED light up there for your work light.
You got two in the back as well. Then we got the strobe lights. So we got some strobe lights going on as well. You know, for people like with the remote control, you're able to change the patterns on and off. You know, however you want it to work on and off.
It's nice.
It's nice. This has got to be one of the most well thought out trailers in a while.
Appreciate it. Yeah, man, we put a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of thought in our product. We listen to you guys because you guys are the ones that are on the road. So, you know, when we're on the phone, hey, what do you think? What's going on? What do you think we can add? What do you think we can take off? Hey, add the bucket holder. Add some brew holders. We need space for this. We need fire extinguishers. We need this. And we implement it. You know, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't.
Right, 100%.
Trial and error.
Trial and error.
Keep it pushing.
Yep. Yeah. And feedback. So you've got buckets for the, what do they call it? The
hydraulic
oil spill kits?
Yeah, oil spill kits.
Sorry, let me mark right in front of you.
No, you're good.
So buckets for the oil spill kits, and then this is for your wood.
That's for your wood, you know, for your shovels, if you got more shovels.
I need these on everything.
I think we both do. both need those.
That right there.
Yeah.
So, you know, you gotta grease up anything. You gotta work on the, you know, you gotta work on the materials, whatever you gotta do.
You can never have too many steps for short guys.
No, I'm telling you, not even for us. Man. It's like,
I mean,
all this bending and
That's
all
my
the time.
favorite. That's my favorite feature on my new dumpsters. Steps and ladders that I can get up.
100%. 100%.
Oh my gosh.
So this is a 16 foot?
So this is a 16-foot, 10K axle.
Looks longer than 16 feet.
You know, 16 foot.
And the rail goes right at 16 feet?
No, it's 18.
Okay, 18 foot rails.
But the max you can put on this is 16-foot dumpsters.
Really?
Yeah, so it's the way we build it, so you can carry up to 25 yards at 16 feet.
Okay.
So, you know, when we take in length, we put it in height.
Interesting.
Yeah.
All right. So you've got an 18 foot rails,
These are 16-foot rails. It's just the complete unit is like 18 feet.
I got you. Mean with the hook, with the neck.
Exactly.
I got you. Okay. So 16 foot rails, 16 foot cans. You recommend 16 and 18 foot cans, or just 16 foot cans?
16.
Because
You
18
could
would
do
be a
18.
terrible hangover
you
and dump angle.
Your dump angle changes too much. Yeah.
Which is legal, but
Yeah.
your dump angle won't be 45.
100%.
It'll be at 40, and then you're uncomfortable.
100%. So yeah, so let's talk about evolution. So obviously you guys manufacture the trailers. Were you guys a dumpster manufacturer before you were a trailer manufacturer?
We started with dump trucks, and then, you know, we started just like eliminating. All right, now we don't like this. Now let's just go move over here. Let's work. You know, better revenue, and then we just started. And then this came across.
So I've had customers that buy and have ordered Hooklift trailers from me and have ordered dumpsters from you guys. I've always said that to me, it doesn't make sense. It depends on where you are in the country, number one. Like, obviously, if I'm in Georgia, Florida, South Carolina, whatever, I'd probably want to order from you guys before I order from somebody in California. It just doesn't make sense. But literally, there's only a few that I personally would recommend because of the quality that I've seen and the quality that I hear and the feedback that I get. And obviously, Evolution is definitely right up there. So I may not call you guys and tell you guys that, hey, this customer, but I've sent them your way for sure because I know your quality. Now, the question I have for you, when I do have a customer that orders sometimes, and this is just mainly for me, not really for the channel, but sometimes they have like the slide-ins or whatever with the tabs. You guys send them the tabs separately?
Yes, we do that because we've had a lot of discrepancies with measurements from truck companies.
Okay.
So the customer will be like, hey, get in contact with this company, and they'll send you the email. Then they send it to you. We cut it out. We weld it. We send it up. Hey, it's off.
It's off,
The measurements didn't add up, and then
Too much,
I don't
BS.
want these dumpsters.
But a tab literally takes 2 minutes to weld on?
Yeah.
I don't even know. I'm not a welder, but
It's already welded on, so we'll send it like that. We don't like it. You know, come pick up your dumpsters. And then you gotta, we'll handle it.
Right.
Just get a torch, remove it, weld it back. And I don't got time for that. All right, so find somebody to do it. We'll pay for it.
okay.
So
I
we
got
don't
you.
have to do all this back and forth. You know, we customer service.
Makes sense.
We'll pay for it. Make sure it's a reasonable price.
100%.
And then we'll take care of it. So what we have done is we switched it up. We make sure it's 100%. If not, we have you sign an agreement that if anything goes wrong with measurements, that's your responsibility.
Yeah.
Not, we
Because
can
nobody knows how to use a tape measure. A lot of people don't know how to use it.
If not,
It's
we send
crazy.
you the tabs and weld it on yourself.
Gotcha. Any other features you want to point out in this trailer that we didn't talk about?
Well, we got the LED lights. We got 18-ply tires.
Okay.
That's standard 18-ply tires. 10K axles. Everything has grease fittings. The tie downs. Which is very, very detailed.
What you looking at?
The width of the axles. I've never seen
Oh,
that.
the axles? Those are 8K?
No, 10K.
Those are 10K.
Oh, 10K. Okay.
Oil?
But so you derated to 16K. Do you do that for all yours, or is this just custom builds?
People
Okay.
that ask for it.
I got you.
We work with everybody, so sometimes they need a D-rate. So we
Yep,
D-rate it.
100%.
We got your dual cylinders. This is our one of one. This is our first launch of this product because we was using the scissor hoist.
Okay.
So now our trailers will be with the majority accessories included.
Really?
So instead of offering you upgrades, hey, you want to upgrade to the backup camera, it's already included in the price. You want a bucket holder, no, it's included in the price.
Nice.
If you don't want it and you buy it,
Take it off.
out, when you get home. But
You want to talk about price or no?
well, this one I sold this one yesterday for $35,500.
35.5 out the door.
$35,500. Yeah, I sold this one yesterday.
Very good. Cool,
Very
man.
well built.
Where can they find you at if they're
We're
interested?
in Miami, Florida, Opelika, Florida.
And the website?
www.evolutionweldings.com.
Put it right there. Appreciate you, man.
Thank you, brother. Bless. Thank you for
Thank
inviting
you.
us.
Thank you. Thank you. All right. So because the show was so hectic, I was pulled away, and I wasn't able to even show off Cougar Manufacturing. So we wanted to make sure we talked about them. We are here back at American AF HQ, and I definitely want to show off the Cougar Manufacturing trailers. Hands down, in my opinion, we are also just so you know, we're a dealer for Cougar Manufacturing. So if you want one of these trailers, let me know. But in my opinion, now I don't know, you might be able to prove me wrong, but right now this is one of the most affordable trailers out there on the market that you can get that is standard rail currently, as far as I know. So 16K GVWR trailer. It's got a toolbox in the front, battery powered winch cable pull, 20,000 pound Warrior winch, electric tarp system. This one can come with a flatbed, or it does not have to come with a flatbed. Under 20 grand, you can get a standard rail trailer that you can actually scale with and help grow your business with, or just use it as a backup. This one will haul 14-foot cans. You can get a 16-foot trailer as well that'll haul 16-foot cans. It's not recommended to have any kind of overhang on this trailer. But it's got 18 ply tires, Dexter axles that are oil bath. Really, I mean, it's the best way to go to get you started in the industry. One of the best ways to go, as far as if you're on a budget. There's your batteries right here. It is wireless remote control. Anderson plugs, so you can literally plug it in and directly to your alternator instead of having to just worry about just have the gooseneck plug. Or the 7-pin charger batteries. You don't even have to plug it in at night if you have this thing plugged in, because it'll constantly charge your batteries. Just a really well thought out, minimalistic for the most part, get the job done and do it with the right equipment, and start off with the right equipment. That's the most important, is that you're starting off with a standard rail trailer versus a proprietary trailer. So this one's currently for sale. That one I believe is spoken for. We've got multiple ones, but we've got more coming down the road as well. So give us a call, www.americanaftrailers.com. Shoot us an email, and we can get you a quote on any of these trailers you saw today for the most part. But give us a call, and we'll give you a quote for any of these trailers that you saw today, whether it be a Cougar Manufacturing, a Keystone, or a Cam Concepts trailer. We out.